Hello guys, welcome to our Stylish Solution channel. Today I am facing a live server problem. As you open the live server, click, then face the program is like that. It list directory इस चीज़ को हम लोग किस तरह इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करेंगे, हाउ टू सॉल्व. तो सिंपली आपको बहुत सारे फोल्डर आप ओपन किए हुए, ओपन द मेनी फोल्डर्स इन a visual code. Simply you remove folder from the workspace. Simply then run. Finally successfully run your website in the live server. In this process to solve the live server problem. Then after that many folders are open. To refresh, you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching video. Channel to like, subscribe, comments.